Today's July 1st, 2022. There's another carousel update. This is update number 6. This 4th of July weekend. Carousel is almost completed. They just had to do finished touches. I think it's gonna be open by the 4th, maybe in 2 days, or sometimes this week. But it's a beautiful carousel. So I want to see what they did. So far, the outside horses, they put the outside horses down, up. The carriage still has to get set up. Carousel looks good. Carousel looks good. They did a good job. So I think there's another horse they have to put down and put up. Right there, and you see the horse leg. So carousel's coming along good. They on schedule. So they said they're gonna open by the 4th, but I'm probably my prediction is gonna be next weekend. Carousel might be open by next Wednesday or next Friday. The carousel looking good. They still have to set the carriage up. They still have to put a couple more horses up. Looks good. Whole construction looks good so far. So that's part of the carriage. They still have to put that together. Probably take them a couple of days to put that back up. The carousel looks good. Carousel looks good. So most of the horses, the outside horses, they still got a couple to put back on. But here's the carriage that I put back together. Carousel looks good. Yeah, they on schedule. They might do the work maybe on Tuesday. Tuesday the park's closed, so they probably put the carriage back together. They probably just wash the carousel down, and we good to go. Carousel basically finished. They just do a couple of finished touches. I'm getting excited. Can't wait to ride this carousel again. I'm a carousel person, and I love the old classic carousel. My favorite carousel is Canobie Lake Park, and my second favorite is Paragon Park Carousel in Lancaster Beach. That's my other favorite. But that's my 2 favorite carousels in New England. But I love this carousel so much. Every time I come to the park, I always ride it. Carousel looking good. They did a good job. Whoever worked on the carousel, thank you for your hard work. I did a good job on this construction. This ride looks good. The outside looks good. The inside looks good. They did the roof over. They did the whole sidings and the roof and the lights. They put in a lot of hard work in this project. So this carousel this horse just got packed back on. Carousel looking good. You know, good job they doing. I think the band organ is back on. So, my prediction is the carousel will be open by next weekend. They still have to put the carriage back together. They got a couple more horses they have put back on. Then they have to test the ride. After the test the ride, the state of New Hampshire have to inspect the ride. For that, they have to make sure this ride pass. If the ride passed the inspection, then the ride be open by next weekend. So the finished touches, they still have to put the carriage back, a couple more horses. Then they had to test the ride probably for a few days. Then the state of New Hampshire do inspection. They inspect the whole ride, the roof, the horses, everything. Now after that, once they pass the inspection, then the state sign off and the ride could be open. So all that gonna take a week. So I think the ride be open by next weekend, if not in 2 weeks. But I think it'll be next week. Oh, they still got a lot of work. So I see the band organ still. I see the band organ there. Yeah, they put the band organ. I love that band organ. The carousel music is a classic music for me. I love listening to the carousel music. Then this carousel is the only carousel that still runs on a rubber tire. This carousel is very antique. This carousel got built in 1903. They put the ride in around 1906. They had the carousel to the park. So this is the oldest attraction at Canobie Lake. So they still have to put the sign back up. They have to put the sign back up. So the lead horse is back on. That white horse right there, that's the lead horse. But they still got a couple more horses put back on. I think they maybe have put at least like maybe 8 more. Carousel looks good. So this is my construction update on the antique carousel at Canobie Lake Park on July 1st, 2022, on 4th of July weekend. And we'll have another update next week. I'll see you guys in the next update. Happy 4th of July, everyone.